Welcome to Asharq. Asharq News launched about 4 years ago. We knew we wanted to engage a much younger audience. We knew we wanted to be very data-driven. So we embarked on new technologies to achieve that goal, and virtual production was a huge part of that. We have now not only gone from being able to do it, but also doing it to a world-class standard. Asharq has 2 physical studios, one bigger than the other. The 2 studios are fitted with robotic cameras, anchor desk on tracks. We have a green screen studio that allows us to do some of our virtual productions as well. We do a lot of stories in virtual production, and this is something that has proven to be very successful.
We have 3 studios, and for each studio we have 2 cameras minimum, send tracking data. We use this engine, 2 engine, to have it, let's say, portable engine. We can use it in different places. All these cameras send data to the engine, and we can track everything from this point. We work with the technical team to share this data between these cameras, and we get the data to our engine. You can see the election and weekly shows with daily requests. Sometimes we create a daily request. Now we are very comfortable with the software, really.
All our studios, including the physical studios, are fitted and able to produce AR graphics, as well as to have a zero-density pipeline for us to do virtual shows as well.
I start learning reality when Asharq give us this opportunity here to have a training and just experiment what's on the reality.
We took, I think, 1 month to finish our first project. It was TAQA Plus. The important thing, after we finished TAQA Plus, we got a lot of good feedback. And then we start to go to design another show like a Tech Plus.
We use the zero density now for 4 years, and we use the Reality 5, the latest version from zero density.
Reality 5 gave me a flexibility and all the control to create my vision.
Immersive storytelling is our objective. We definitely achieved it with zero density because it allows us to do it in a very well-designed, very efficient way, and we're able to achieve it to a very high standard of quality.
Photorealistic for our work is something too important. And to achieve this, you need to do a lot of things, really. Starting from just focusing the details, because the details makes it different.
Any topics you want to talk about it, if you show it in normal show, you just show an image or videos or something. But when you come to virtual shows, you can put the object itself, and you can make the presenter interact with it, just to make the story more informative.
With the recent American elections, it's a campaign that we're extremely proud of because we always wanted to create something different, something that stands out, something that is immersive. We were able to create what we call an extension studio that allowed us to create environments for the White House race, featuring the White House, and also the congressional race featuring Congress in the background. We were able to showcase all 50 states with Trump and Harris and the results of each state in what we call full-frame AR. This was extremely well received. It made us look extremely different, and as well, it's immersive in a different kind of way.
This is the main studio. When we launched the US election, this is our virtual set. You can see we have huge studio with a lot of information. We have the AR inside, and we have Congress and White House and behind me. You can see the AR with all the election, with all the data. We use zero density for this coverage to have this huge studio.
If we are talking about the USA election, it was a very big project for us. This is the first time we covered the USA election. So we're thinking about something different, something elegant, something impressive for the audience. It's unlimited uses for zero density, and we use everything in the system. It was amazing, to be honest.
I have an amazing team of about 37 designers, producers, developers. I'm extremely proud of the team and the journey that we have come. Not only have we been able to do it efficiently, but we've also been able to do it to a world-class standard. As a showcase of that achievement, we have multiple awards from all over the world, culminating in achieving the Channel of the Year at the Tally Award this year, winning 117 total awards. That is an amazing achievement for a very young team of 4 years. In terms of finding the right partner to support your vision, it is extremely important to make sure that your partner is at the cutting edge of that technology, because the technology is always evolving, and you need to make sure that your partner is at the forefront and that you go on this journey together. Having said that, our experience with Zero Density has been a very positive one, and we're extremely appreciative of that. The future is there for us to take because we started, and I'm looking forward to what we can achieve with this technology.